Here's a first. I'm up in an attic. They actually tried to finish half of it and then leave one half unfinished. See how they put spray foam on the back of the decking there? But then this was just like a plywood wall that wasn't even complete. It was open up at the top. And here's a gable vent, which has got a bunch of stuff in it. And check this out. It's a bird's nest with live birds. And here's the mom. See them right in there, folks? Look at them all. There they are. Wow. Pretty crazy. Check it out. Here's another bird's nest in one of the other vents.